How to play Roblox from Microsoft Store. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on playing Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So let's get started. I'll walk you through the steps to access and play Roblox through the Microsoft Store. The process is simple and quick, so make sure to pay close attention. First and foremost, it's important to note that this method is compatible with any other computer that has the Microsoft Store. To get started, go to your desktop and find the Windows search bar in the right bottom of the screen. Type in Microsoft Store, and as soon as it appears, click on it to open. Here you will see a variety of apps available for the download. Click on the Games category and search for Roblox. Go to the Gaming section, and here, search for Roblox. Once you find it, simply go ahead and click on it. And as I have already installed Roblox in my computer, you can see the button of play. But in the case if you have not installed in your computer, you will see the option of install. Simply click on the install button in order to successfully install it in your computer. And once it is installed, click on play option, and the Roblox will check for any updates, so please be patient during this process. When you open the game, you will be able to log into your existing account or create a new one. Follow the prompts accordingly. And I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you on how to play Roblox with the Microsoft Store. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.